Hey everybody, I'm assuming you can hear me, and I just wanted to get on here for a quick minute to let you know that I'm going to be offering those mobile device workshops again right here at Cooperative Extension Service Office on the St. Thomas campus of UVI, University of the Virgin Islands, Monday through Thursdays, starting next week, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., and mornings by appointment only, or I may be able to come to you. And it's only $25 for the whole week. So I want to be able to share this information and get it out as quickly as possible so that we can get as many people up to date with their phones before the next storm season comes up or whatever else as soon as possible. So if you can see in the description, I have a list of some of the things that people learned or have learned in the classes already from before. We've improved them. We've got some other things now. So email me at dcooper@uvi.edu, as is in the description. You can call my desk number, which I might never be sitting at, but 340-693-1081, or inbox me on Facebook. That's fine. I can get information that way too. So some of what you'll learn, some of you already know how to do the basic things. So there's two different tracks, and I would need to know which track you'd be in, the beginner or the advanced. So from calls and texts and emails and apps and contacts, calendar, calculator, notes, taking pictures, what's the difference between data and Wi-Fi, WhatsApp, Skype, using those, a little bit of internet, search engine stuff, setting up your email, sending, checking, forwarding, attaching, deleting, and then some social media and some messenger for those who need to know that. So again, please do share this as much as you can for those who might need to know a little bit better how to use these things. And Apple or Android, it doesn't matter. I have an Apple, but I also know how to use the Androids as well. So again, this is Dara Monifa, and here with the UVI Cooperative Extension Service Office, I'm going to share this, and I would love for you to share this too for those who need it. Okay, see you soon, starting Monday. Okay.